Hello. Propositional logic. Now, what is a proposition? A proposition is a statement that has a value which can be either true or false but cannot be anything else. These values of a proposition are called its truth values. Propositions are those statements in our real life which we sometimes call as, honestly, or it's a lie, or it's a yes, or it's a no. But there is only 0 and 1 kind of value for that statement. Now, propositions can be considered as the coffee is hot. Coffee is hot. No, it is not. Or yes, it is so. Mother stood first in class. No, she did not. No, she did. Any one of that. Lena read the book, The Shadow. Did she? I think yes, she read the full book. Only if she reads the full book, she gets the value 1 against it. Similarly, we have non-propositions. Non-propositions are such which do not have true and false value. Like, where are you going? Where are you going? Will you say yes or will you say no? Who stood first in class? Like, you will tell the name or you will say yes or you will say no or true or false. They cannot be. Which book did Lena read? Any book? No book, but no book will have to be that no book. She did not read any book. But which book she read? Which book did she read or which book she read? It has to have a name. It cannot be yes and no. It is not a true and false. Now we come to properties of a proposition. A proposition has a truth value which cannot be anything other than true or false. Propositions can be connected using connectives to result in another bigger proposition, which is a combinational proposition, composite. They are represented by using uppercase alphabets, and states of a proposition can be represented by a truth table. So now we'll look into what is a truth table. A truth table is a complete list of possible values of a proposition. Just for example, there is a proposition called P. Purav finished his homework on time. Maybe he did, maybe he did not. Now whichever is the case. For one variable, the proposition's truth table will have either a 0 or a 1. For two variables, the result will be either both of them are true or both of them are false, or any one of them is true or any one of them is false. For three variables, this combination like 0 and 1 is repeated once with 0, once with 1. So hence this 4 is a set. Now this entire 4 will be repeated once with 0, once with 1. Hence this is becoming a set of 8 of them. And the same set when it is for 4 variables is repeated once with all of them with 0, then all of them with 1. The term numbers are corresponding values starting with 0 going up to 15 in this case, like starting with 0. In 3 variables case, it is from 0 to 7. In this way, we come to know about truth table and how to plot them and how many variables indicate how many Boolean variables are there. Boolean variables are those which contain values of 0 and 1. Now, coming up are further extension of these things, okay?